the indexing plunger GN823 with operating lever, a product offering simple and intuitive operation. The operating lever significantly reduces the amount of force required compared with typical indexing plungers. A number of variants are available, either the version without rest position, which requires only pressing of the lever to retract the plunger pin. As soon as the lever is released, the plunger pin is extended again by a spring, or the version with rest position. In this case, the plunger pin can be retracted either by pressing or raising the lever. When the lever is raised, the plunger pin is securely locked in the rest position once the dead point is passed. There are also variants with a flange, either without anti-twist protection or in versions with anti-twist protection, which can be implemented either parallel or perpendicular to the flange. The range of variants allows for many different uses, such as in hard-to-reach locations or for single-handed operation. Also for applications requiring simultaneous operation of 2 or more indexing plungers, or in very tight spaces. The indexing plunger is made of high-quality materials and suitable for outdoor use. The product family includes a range of variants, each in 6 different sizes. Indexing plunger GN823, compact, convenient, and ideal for operations in hard-to-reach places.